Hey there, gym lovers and fitness folks. Today, we're going to chat about something that's been causing quite a stir in the health and fitness community. It's the debate about vegan muscle building. Can you really get those big gains on a plant-based diet? Or is there some hidden secret? Let's unravel this together. First off, let's set the stage. There's a common belief that floats around gyms. From the newbie to the veteran lifter, want big muscles? You need meat. End of story. This is something we've heard for ages, right? Meat equals muscle. But a bunch of people, including vegan gains, are shaking their heads, flexing their vegan-fueled muscles, and saying, think again. Now, there's a concern many have about vegan diets. Where's the protein coming from? Plants, while awesome, aren't typically seen as super-packed protein sources. At least, not in the same way a big chicken breast or steak is. But here's the twist. Plants can indeed be loaded with protein. We've got things like legumes, beans, lentils, soy products, tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and even some surprising veggies like broccoli and spinach that can help muscle growth. But wait, I hear some of you say, is vegan gains really building all that muscle just on plants? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's break it down. For starters, a common misconception is that only animal-based proteins are complete, meaning they have all the essential amino acids our bodies need. While it's true that many plant-based sources might lack one or another amino acid, the solution is simple. Mix and match. Have some beans with rice or peanut butter on whole wheat bread, and voila, you've got a complete protein. So, with the right variety, vegans can get all the protein they need. But beyond the technical jargon, let's look at real-life examples. There are vegan athletes out there, folks who need top-tier muscle and stamina, and they're thriving. Footballers, MMA fighters, weightlifters, all powered by plants. If they can perform at peak levels and keep up with, or even outdo, their meat-eating peers, that's pretty strong proof, don't you think? Another thing to ponder is the health aspect. Building muscle isn't just about looking good, it's also about feeling good. While meat, especially red and processed types, has been linked to several health risks, a plant-based diet seems to be on the friendlier side of things. We're talking lower risks of heart diseases, certain cancers, and even improved recovery times after workouts. So even if you're not into bodybuilding, going green might be a good health choice. Let's address the big question head-on. Is vegan gains, or any other plant-based muscle enthusiast, being genuine? From what we've explored so far, it seems there's no reason to doubt them. You can indeed build and maintain muscle on a vegan diet. It's not necessarily about where the protein comes from, but how much of it you're getting and ensuring you're mixing things up to get all those essential amino acids. Before we wrap up, let's touch upon some extra benefits of going vegan beyond the gym. For one, it's kinder to the environment. Less demand for meat means fewer resources used up. Plus, there's the ethical aspect. Fewer animals raised for food could mean less suffering. In conclusion, whether you're looking to bulk up, maintain your health, or just live a more sustainable lifestyle, it seems that a plant-based diet has a lot to offer. Vegan gains and many others have shown us that it's possible to have both, a love for animals and some impressive muscles. I hope this deep dive gave you some food for thought. If you want more juicy topics like this, please do subscribe. And remember, the next time someone raises an eyebrow at your vegan protein shake, just flex and smile. Plants have got your back. Now, I've got a question for all of you. What's the most surprising plant-based protein source you've discovered? Drop your answers in the comments. The most unique one might just get pinned to the top. If you enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.